It is no secret that XRP hasn't been in the spotlight recently, aside from the general bears in the crypto industry. However, we all know that there is a big factor with the SEC lawsuit. That's why, in this video, I will share with you what has the Ripple XRP CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, revealed that XRP will create millionaires in January. As a result, I believe the price of XRP could hit $500. Welcome to Crypto Live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. Currently, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies available, and considering the platform's use case, the altcoin with the most promise is one with shorter longevity. Even still, there are very few altcoins that have utility under $1, which is the reason why XRP is the preferred long-term investment for expert traders. So, for avid followers of the crypto world, you should also know that XRP has been the top pick this year for several investors. Through its proprietary blockchain technology and its story of value partnerships, the XRP token was created to be a currency that would combine both the digital asset and fiat worlds. And as you watch further, you'll see what makes 2021 a start of a desirable year as we examine the various events that Ripple can provide. That's why these events have led the CEO of the fintech startup to predict why XRP will make millions of new millionaires very soon. On the other hand, rest assured that we will continue to see many crypto enthusiasts turn into actual bears when Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and these other altcoins continue to experience massive downsides. Moreover, it is the mindset that continues to fuel the downward trend as they constantly clamor for the start of the bull market. In the midst of all that, some investors remain positive on particular altcoins, such as XRP, and following the lawsuit filed by the SEC and the price decline of Bitcoin, XRP remains vulnerable to fundamental uncertainty. Ripple's CEO, nevertheless, speaks his mind about several topics, including XRP's tendency for ignoring extraordinary highs and making more millionaires than it already is. Further, a little more was also revealed about the SEC's preference of other assets with a higher level of emissions, such as Bitcoin, over a cryptocurrency with very low carbon footprint, such as XRP. As you may recall, Brad Garlinghouse discussed the possibility of an exchange-traded fund for XRP going public in the US back in November. Further, the Ripple chief hinted at this very same moment that he remarked on the SEC's demands for clarity and transparency, but failed to do so concerning the regulatory fund, which is part of the SEC's sworn duty. Since the SEC had conveniently allowed XRP to be traded in the US for more than 7 years, these exchanges already knew that the SEC planned to delist XRP once the lawsuit was known. Since it was being traded on over 200 exchanges before the lawsuit was filed, it was actively traded globally. Additionally, with XRP trading in tandem with the rest of the market, we are still waiting for the best to happen, as we have not yet seen substantial gains in this asset class. Additionally, we saw the bubble burst, leading to prices reaching levels higher than we had ever seen before. Furthermore, the lawsuit will lead to millionaires created by XRP. Therefore, Ripple will come out victorious. Various exchanges are starting to discuss the possibility of relisting the Ripple coin. The fact that Uphold already lists XRP among its trading pairs means it's no longer difficult to get your hands on the cryptocurrency. Currently, it looks like excellent news for Ripple, as the largest cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase, is considering relisting the Ripple coin within months of first listing it among its trading pairs. Following that trend, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong expressed his goodwill towards Ripple and its ongoing lawsuit with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Quoting a Forbes senior correspondent, Rosalind Layton, Brian Armstrong in his Twitter thread, as I quote, "Some sketchy behavior coming out of the SEC recently. Story time." The crypto exchanges that delisted the Ripple asset following the SEC's deflating of the coin were among the first to delist it. Moreover, following the SEC's threat to sue Coinbase, which had threatened to pay interest in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's regulation enforcement, Coinbase realized the ramifications of the SEC's enforcement tactics. In contrast, Coinbase's CEO has openly expressed his affection for Ripple, and his opinion of Ripple's case against the SEC remained positive. On the other hand, Ripple's native token, XRP, continues to perform well, both on the technical and fundamental fronts, despite the many obstacles it faces. XRP is still standing strong and still ranks among the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world. It's noteworthy that last December 7th, XRP was trading at number 8 position, and the Ripple asset has consistently moved from the 6th position since its inception. With a market capitalization of nearly $40 billion, an average 24-hour trading volume of $7 billion, and a fully diluted market share of $82 billion, the company has a healthy market capitalization. All the back and forth that accompanied Ripple filing an intention to claim fair notice defense, causing the SEC to file a series of desperate responses to stop Ripple from exercising that right. Brad Garlinghouse states one thing about the settlement between his firm and U.S. financial regulators, and according to the CEO, the firm is in the process of devising a constructive approach to engage with the SEC. Nevertheless, he recently stated that his side is no longer interested in negotiating a settlement, and that he would rather see the lawsuit to its conclusion, since Ripple would win it. However, Ripple's executive hinted that the only way their company would consider entering a settlement agreement with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission would be if the XRP token and the cryptocurrency market in the U.S. were completely clear. As a fintech startup, he also notes that fintech companies have established numerous collaborations with traditional banks and financial institutions worldwide. And then, because of Ripple's dexterity to win over these banks, the company has had that number of partners, which has now crossed 350. Even though several partnerships are not all that matters, what matters is the volume of partnership offers. As well as the new milestone, the Ripple CEO also announced that the company had entered into a cooperative agreement with the SCB Swedish Financial Group for corporate customers with a record of over $1 billion in transactions. This is one of the largest banks in Sweden, and it's done via one of Ripple's payment and settlement portals. Through the long-standing and established reputation garnered by Ripple in those regions, Ripple can bring its on-demand liquidity feature to more countries in the Middle East, Africa, and the Asia-Pacific, with significant cross-border remittances. Brad Garlinghouse told CNBC in November that Ripple is making good progress in its legal battle with the SEC. The case involving XRP, the world's 7th largest cryptocurrency, is likely to be resolved next year, Garlinghouse said. Moreover, he told CNBC's Dan Murphy, "We're seeing pretty good progress despite a slow-moving judicial process. Clearly, we're seeing good questions asked by the judge, and I think the judge realizes this is not just about Ripple. This will have a broader implication." Garlinghouse expressed hope that the case would be completed by next year. As we all know that the San Francisco-based company Ripple was a big hit during the crypto frenzy of the late 2017 and early 2018, when the price of Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies surged to new heights. Token XRP, which Ripple is closely associated with, benefited from the rally, reaching an all-time high above $3. While it has since declined dramatically from that price, it has so far seen a 370% gain year-to-date on the latest crypto wave. Furthermore, XRP has a high potential for success since Ripple's technology makes it possible for banks and other financial institutions to send money more quickly and at a lower cost. XRP is used to make cross-border payments through on-demand liquidity, which the company markets. Thus, I do believe that XRP will be able to create millionaires once the lawsuit has been resolved and its notable partnerships are put into place. Perhaps not in January, but soon. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.